Talked about this in yesterday's video with this red line here as resistance, but you can see this morning came up here, broke that level of resistance, and then the uptrend has continued. Very, very impressive move today, and volume has increased that much more. Volume had already been heavy, but it got even heavier today. So first update comes about just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So moving forward now, 36, one of the newest areas of support. But what I would call the ideal level, when you say, Clay, you know, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay above 38. Now, let me be very clear. If the price were to drop below 38, that doesn't mean the entire chart's epically destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above there, that'd be a great sign of power. But at the end of the day, as long as the price stays above that purple line, being the 50-period moving average, keyword being moving, so that line's going to move itself higher and higher. As long as the price stays above that line as a line itself moves higher and higher, then the overall trend is fully in the bull's control. Next, AMTD, and we have ourselves another solid pattern here. So for you pattern players out there, this is one that I'd say keep an eye on. So we have our key top of the pattern breakout point area right there at $2.30. As far as supports are concerned, you have this general area right there. So as I've done, let's change that to green to represent support. And then as far as the overall pattern, resistance, support, nice move there. A golf hole down here. We have ourselves another bull pennant pattern. So if you like to play bull pennants, if you like to play stocks down below $5, here you go. Next, BLPH, and very interesting dynamic here. Yes, it had a big move up. Yes, there was this gap and trap where things got really, really ugly and nasty. But now the price has at least started to go sideways. Now, let me be very clear. And I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price is pulled back, gone sideways, does not mean for sure guaranteed this is the bottom and that the price is going to go back up. My point here is, does it at least become more rational? Does it become a little bit more plausible to say, hey, you know what? Maybe, just maybe, this side or this pullback is finally over. And yeah, absolutely, that's plausible to say, given that we have some sideways price movement. Again, not guaranteed, which makes that key level of support right there at 205. In terms of levels of resistance, the main area to keep an eye on, at least in my opinion, going to be that trend line right there. So once more, are there guarantees? No, but is it plausible? Is it valid to think that if the price can come up to that trend line and get the break up through it, that break could create additional buying pressure? In my mind, that seems like a very possible outcome.